hut? A little bit taller, maybe? Well, okay.
I'm gonna slice that here.
Oh! Hey, can I make a little noise here for a second?
Yep. I'm gonna chop these branches up together. Dude, last time you guys doing it was snowing.
I think it was cold.
No, dude. First time.
Oh, timber! How high do you want to cut it?
I just get this cut this right here. Yeah, good. Straighter from that part up.
Yeah.
Is that okay?
Yeah, trim it up.
There we go. Watch out, kiddos. Now you get to ride with your tree.
Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out, the reindeers are falling down. Stay waiting for Santa tonight.
Thank you, sir.
Climb down the chimney at the speed of light while we're dancing around the Christmas tree.
Thank you, sir.
It's almost as fun for me as it is.
I don't think you have to.
Carolers are singing outside our door. Lovely songs we all heard before as they walk from house.
Yeah. No, we're good. We're good. Yeah, we're fine. Yep.
Here you go, sir.
We'll make it work.
So check it. Right here. How do you like that? 12 feet.
Chasing snowflakes as they're falling down.
Awesome.
And follow Rudolph all across the town. Later we meet under the mistletoe while Santa's busy saying ho ho ho. We're feeling jolly, eating Christmas cake, and then we go skating on the frozen lake, saying hi to every friendly face. And later we warm up by the fireplace. Carolers are singing outside our door. Lovely songs we all heard before as they walk from house to house to wish us a Merry Christmas.
Couple times, go.
Go on the other side, Micah. Right there. 3 of you guys, go.
Carolers are singing outside our door. Lovely songs we all heard before. As we walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Yeah.
All right,
Merry Christmas Day.
Try to do it, mommy.
Try not to bend the blade at all. You can see hard to bend the blade. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. You gotta keep it as straight as you can. Line the blade up with the cut. Because the first couple times I was like, oh, it's hard. And then once you get a rhythm, it just
Oh my god.
This little tree and we can't even. Yeah, it is hard.
Angle, so you get the right angle.
Finn, watch out, Finn. Finn, watch out. Finn, watch out, Finn.
So wait, push it down.
Finn, watch out.
Alright, here we go, timber coming up.
Which way is it gonna go?
Watch out!
It's gonna fall towards the cheese.
Charlotte, watch out.
Towards, that way.
Charlotte.
Right, it's gonna fall towards you.
You gonna catch it?
Not like it's gonna hurt, but.
Here, pull a little bit this way. Pull a little bit. We can open up the
There he goes. Oh yeah.
They can carry it. Thank you. Y'all gotta carry your own tree.
You don't need my help,
They don't need your help. They're so strong.
It's not heavy, it's the chew up feet too. But once it starts drying out, it's lighter.
No, I
Take pieces off the video.
Screenshot.
Take picture. Get it off the video, man.
Yeah. Screenshot. Oh, what a cool picture.
Alright. We have a fake one that she can't use, but ornaments cost so much money.
Wow, watch your tree, watch it turn too little. Stay there, don't go so close, right there. Why you guys over there?